Sanishayele nani izandla nje nifika. Just give yourselves a round of applause.
If uNkulunkulu is not in your life, ungakholwa inkosi uJesu, okunye uzohamba usalele konke.
Today we are welcoming the new girls to join the program, 16 new girls. And we are delighted to have these bunch of new young leaders who joined the mentorship program. It was a very good day, a very successful event. We had very good speakers. Our program director was Jacinta Gobese. We had Dr. Nombuso Shozi, who was the keynote speaker of the day.
There's a vast careers and you can become anything you want to be, just as long as you believe.
We had Zanele Mbonambi, she's a qualified CA. We had Utandi Ngongo, who is a young lady in the petroleum business, who's also an engineer by profession.
Isikhathi indlela osebenzisa ngayo isikhathi sakho must always give you a high performance.
We're looking forward to more successful events with the new girls, enjoying being part of this beautiful program.
Today it's very, very special where we welcome new girls and also the older girls that have graduated, that have done well in different fields. We will be putting them into a sister program. We are introducing forums where they specialize in different fields. So we are really, really grateful as Icebolethu Foundation to be hosting such a program. I would also want to thank our clients, the clients of Icebolethu Group. Be whatever you support us with, thank you, because with your support we are able to fund such programs as the Rhoda Girls program. Nomfundo eyedwa and the entire team Icebolethu, we couldn't do it, but through your support, your financial support, we are able to mentor, we are able to build futures of these young girls. Rhoda Girls, a young believer who believes.